Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I get this all the time about people talking about Windows 11. Oh, it's a Vista, or it's bad operating system. And the question that I get asked is Windows 11 a winner or a loser? We talked about it in the past, and it depends what you're looking at as winner or loser. In terms of the operating system itself, how well it works and how stable it is, it's clearly a winner. It doesn't crash. It doesn't have any problems. If you have crashes, I'll say it again and again. People don't believe it and can't believe that their PC crashes because of some other things. But if your PC crashes on Windows 11 all the time, your PC has an issue, or you got some software or driver issues. It's not Windows. The um, answering that question is on multiple levels, and you can say, well, it could be a Vista in the sense of we see that it's pretty stagnant and it doesn't seem to climb anymore, and it's stuck at 24 or 5%, something like that. That, of course, is a flop in a way, because it is a case where Microsoft just can't get its operating system running and running on many PCs. So it's a flop in probably its marketing and the way that it actually is going in market share, but it's not a flop in the operating system itself. In fact, if Windows 11 would have been compatible with every PC with Windows 10, we'd be a much, much higher number than that. We would have probably 40 to 50% of PCs already running Windows 11, I'm sure. The minimum requirement is what prevents a lot of people from moving ahead, because in itself, it's not a flop, and in itself, Windows 11 is actually fine. When I see people, ranting at Windows 11 is ugly, it's this, it's that, when you just say, I hate it, that's not even an argument. It's not even there's nothing in that phrase that, tells me anything. And haters of Windows 11, there's a lot of, because of the minimum requirements in big, big parts. So it's not a Vista, and it's not personally, I think it's not a Vista, and it's not a flop, but it's not a winner. It isn't a winner. We'll see the future, what brings the future in Windows 12 and all of that. But I'll put it in a category of it's not a flop, but it's not a winner also. That's for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.